welcome back to Sideninehomestead. So we are here at a restaurant called Texas de Brazil. We are outside of Columbus, and let me tell you, this is a carnivore lover's dream. And yes, those of you that are wondering, because we kind of disappeared for a couple weeks, we are still following a carnivore lifestyle, but we're going to show you a little bit about what you can eat here that is carnivore, and it's delicious. So this is from the buffet. I'm trying to get that on the screen there. So they have a couple different meats, prosciutto, some salamis, some manchego cheese. They had a whole bowl of bacon, a massive bowl. It was hard not to take the whole thing. They had some shrimp, smoked salmon, fresh mozzarella. And while I was up at the buffet, I came back to this plate of delicious cooked meats. So some of it may have some sauces that are questionable, but for the most part, we're looking at all protein, really good, high quality protein, all cooked medium to medium rare, really good. I can't wait to eat. Yes. Perfect. Thank you very much. They give us our own little tongs to help serve. This is flank steak. Can't wait to try. Woo! You didn't get that on video, did you? Alright, so our opinion of this restaurant thus far, it's amazing. Especially if you're carnivore, because the meat just keeps coming. I think we've had 10 people since we've been sitting here since in the last 10 minutes who've walked past with meat. So you get these little token things. So one side's red, one side's green. So when you're ready to have more meat, you put the green side up, and then they'll stop at your table with whatever it is that they have. And then they give you these little grabbers. So as they cut them off with a skewer, you grab it and put it on your plate. It's amazing. Like, there's just so much to choose from. It's hard to and I don't know about you guys, but I feel like since being carnivore, we don't eat as much as we used to. So, is it the best value? Probably not, but the food's amazing. So, they do give you, they put things on your table as a general side. So they did give us a thing of potatoes and some bread.
And we couldn't say no thank you in time. And he dropped it and ran.
It was already out, and like, once they touch your table, they're not going to take it away and give it to somebody else. So it is what it is. Maybe the chickens will eat it, so we may take it home for them, but they don't like it on their beaks. But anyway, so far so good. So as a general update, I know we got a couple comments asking, are we still carnivore? Where you guys been? What's going on? We've been dealing with a few illnesses over the past couple weeks, just general cold stuff, but you know, you're not feeling well enough in order to really make videos or anything. Like, we're kind of at bare minimum.
I think we're good, thank you for now. Oh, that looked really good.
They keep coming around with more skewers of meat. More meat? Week. That one might be a picanha.
Really? There. Why don't you start asking?
Anyway, so we're kind of out of commission for a couple weeks just because Sean was sick at first, and then I got sick, and you're just trying to do your bare minimum, right? Get through your work and get home and just kind of veg, and then of course it was daylight savings. So is that picanha? Can I have some of that?
You got your tongues?
Oh, I do. Oh, sorry. Yes. I've always wanted to try this. There we go. I got it. Yeah, one more is good. I've always wanted to try picanha. So it's a Spanish top sirloin, I believe, that has the fat cap, which you can see on the side there. And then this was leg of lamb. So I've never made either one, so I'm excited to try those. But anyway, as I was saying, a lot of people have asked, are we still carnivore? What are you guys doing? Where have you been? So we've been sick. Just stupid cold stuff. But anyway, we're on the mend, thank goodness. So just coming into times with having some time off of work, which is great. But also, we're trying to go to the gym, so stay tuned for some videos. If I feel ambitious enough, maybe I'll make a video at the gym sometime. But just trying to get more active and do things to try to break the monotony, and especially coming into winter, because all we really want to do is come home from work and put our pajamas on and watch movies and sit under a blanket. So I'm sure you guys all feel the same. But anyway, so we went away for a few days. So we're here outside of Columbus, and we wanted to take you to this restaurant because we knew that this would be the perfect place for a carnivore to eat. So if you have one of these Texas de Brazil near you at home, where you live, or maybe someplace that you travel, it's a great place. It's highly worth it. So hope you give it a try. I'm working my way through. It's easy to have your eyes be bigger than your stomach when you're here, because every time they come around, they've got this skewer that's like 4 feet. That's an exaggeration. It's probably like 2 feet.
We caught that
long.
on video.
What?
The skewer.
Oh, okay. So it's a pretty long skewer, right, with meat.
And they're
You're
fast.
like,
But they're
what?
fast because they came around with chicken wings that had like a barbecue sauce. And they
Seriously?
threw it on her plate.
I know. I had to get rid of it. You could see the evidence there. But the point is, literally, I spent 2 minutes up at the quote-unquote salad bar, which I kind of already showed you. You'll see in the video. Meats, cheeses. They had a whole bowl of bacon. It was like the best bowl ever. But I came back to this mound of meat on my plate. So I've been working my way through, but they did have a picanha, which I can't find that anywhere of our local meat stores, any of our local grocery stores. I cannot find a picanha anywhere. I think I'm saying that right. I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But I've always wanted to try it, and so they had it here. I'm trying to find a good piece. So it's cooked medium rare, and then it has a little fat cap on the side. I cut this up, so it's kind of hard to tell right now, but it is so good. But I think the key is that you have to cook it medium rare in order for it to be really tender, because the meat itself doesn't have any fat. But oh my god, it's so good. So that was my goal to have here, and also I had leg of lamb, which I've never had before, which was phenomenal. So it's kind of making me think like, I might want to expand my horizons at home and buy a leg of lamb. So this was leg of lamb here. Let me flip it over so you can see the underside. So
You got the burnt end.
I did. I know the guy. Comes around with a
Delicious.
skewer. Oh my god, it's so good. It's very flavorful. You put a little bit of salt on it. It's amazing. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. So I have 3 slices of tri-tip. This place is amazing, because as soon as I asked our server if they had tri-tip here, someone else was walking by and said, I'll bring it
He
right
looked like
up.
the manager.
Yeah, I think he was a manager or somebody. Asked me what temperature I liked it, and within 30 seconds, someone was here at our table with tri-tip. So I've never tried it before, but someone said in the comments of a previous video, because I was talking about a tri-tip, that a tri-tip is 30% fat. So that's pretty awesome. I can't find them anywhere. I've searched multiple states. Like, I drag him to every grocery store, every Costco, everything in every state that we've traveled to, and nobody has tri-tip because we live in the middle of nowhere. But anyway, so now this is the first time trying a tri-tip. So I know the lighting in here isn't the greatest, but it's probably about a medium to medium well cook. So here goes nothing down the hatch. So it has a texture of like a filet mignon, so it's really tender like a filet, but not quite as beefy tasting. I don't know if that makes any sense, but delicious though. Man, if we could get these on a regular basis, we would cook them all the time. They're so good. Amazing. But yeah, that wins. Sorry, lamb. Thank you. Flank steak. Alright, let's give it a try. So the only time I've ever made flank steak in the past,
Ready, here it comes.
Medium well?
Yes.
medium well. No, I don't want medium well.
Can I have a piece, please?
I like
Yes.
medium well.
Yeah, just one little one.
The tri-tip is excellent though.
Perfect. Thank you. It's so dark in here.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
That picanha gets me every time.
This is a bottle of water.
Yes.
Spring water. It's delicious.
They have still water or sparkling water. It's just kind of like when you're overseas, like they ask you every time you go to a restaurant, do you want still water or do you want sparkling water? So we asked for still water, which is spring water.